Have you noticed stiffness and slowness increasing over time as you get older? That doesn't usually mean something is wrong or broken. Most of the time, it simply means your body is moving less than it used to. Until now, we've been doing follow-along exercise videos, counting repetitions, and moving together. That helps you move in the moment. But doing exercises randomly doesn't build consistency. And without consistency, progress doesn't last. That's why I'm starting Fitness Friday. Each week, we'll focus on one common problem, like joints, stiffness, balance, or movement, and follow it with simple, safe exercises designed specifically to help that issue. This isn't about harder workouts or pushing through pain. It's about understanding your body and moving in a way that actually helps. Fitness Friday starts this week. Follow along at your own pace.